To put it another way, Dyson's new Zone Air Purifying headphones appears like something out of a dystopian sci-fi film or maybe the head of a Batman villain. However, the company claims that this is a real product that will be available for purchase in the fall. You probably don't know what the Dyson Zone is or why it was created. To ease your mind, I'll tell you exactly what it is. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel and smash the notification bell to receive updates on videos like this. To begin, what is the Dyson Zone? To filter the air around a user, Dyson Zone Air Purifying headphones draws in the air from around them, runs it through a filtration system that is also integrated into their ear cups, and delivers it out through the mesh piece of their visor that magnetically attaches to the bottom. It is 97% effective at delivering clean air to the lungs via non-contact delivery, and the Dyson Zone creates an air zone from which the user can draw. The Dyson Zone is a 2-in-1 device that supplies filtered air as well as high-quality audio with active noise cancellation. What is the function of the Dyson Zone Air Purifying headphones? With more than 500 prototypes and 6 years of development, we were told that the most difficult part of the Dyson Zone Air Purifying headphones was their ability to be small and light enough to fit in your pocket. Dyson claims that the 2 tiny motors inside each ear cup are its smallest yet, but they aren't the sole factor in the device's ability to provide the wearer with clean air. Primarily electrostatic filters which remove 99.5% of particle pollution down to 0.1 microns, that's the smallest size that can be collected, as well as carbon filters enhanced with potassium-trapped city pollutants including NO2, SO2, and O3. The electrostatic filter attracts particles while the potassium filter cleans the air as it passes through the filter shroud, drawing air from the user's surrounding area into each ear cup. Dyson's tiniest motors can be found in the compressor, where the air is compressed and then delivered to the user's nose and mouth through the 2 channels in the visor. To keep the purified airflow near the nose and mouth, the visor has sculpted returns that keep it from being diluted by exterior crosswinds. The Dyson Zone headphones come with a variety of features: 3 ANC modes, 4 filtration modes, more features through the Dyson Link app, custom face covering included. Filtered air is provided to the user as well as high-quality audio with the Dyson Zone over-ear headphones. This is their primary goal, which is summed up succinctly in their description, but there's a slew of additional features included. Isolation, conversation, and transparency are the 3 active noise cancellation modes. Active noise cancelling is most effective while using the isolation mode. When the visor is lowered, the filtering is turned off to save battery and the audio is paused. Transparency allows you to remain aware of your surroundings while listening to audio. By double tapping the side of each ear cup, you can activate transparency mode. Low, medium, high, and auto are the other 3 purification settings. A low volume is appropriate for reading while seated. A medium volume is appropriate for walking down the street, and a loud volume is appropriate for riding the London Underground, among other places. When you're exercising, you'll be able to switch between low, medium, or high intensity by using the headphone's accelerometers to monitor your breathing and activity. Using the Dyson Link app, the Dyson Zone can be linked to other Dyson products such as its fans. In addition to adjusting audio EQ preferences, the app allows users to disable the volume limiter. Users can input their location into the app to get better insight into when the filter may need to be changed as far as filtration is concerned. The Dyson Link app will gather information about the air quality in your area to determine when the filter needs to be replaced after you input your location details. The Dyson Zone also includes an FFP2 face covering attachment that can be inserted into the visor, as well as a cleaning brush. Dyson Zone headphones can be paired with your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone or tablet. Specs and battery life. Dyson hasn't revealed all the specifications within the Dyson Zone Air Purifying headphones, but here's a summary of what we know so far. 11 microphones for ANC and PA, stiff speaker cavity, 40mm speaker driver, adaptable EQs through the Dyson Link app, 40+ hour battery life with ANC, 4 hours battery with low filtration mode, 2.5 hours battery in medium filtration mode, 1.5 hours battery in high filtration mode, quick charging via USB Type-C 60% in 20 minutes, 1 year filter expectancy for a heavy user in UK and Europe. What are the Dyson Zone headphones like? Premium design, great sound quality, ease of use, filtered air is refreshing. In advance of its official release in April 2022, we put the Dyson Zone headphones to the test. It's safe to say that they'll draw a lot of attention when they're out and about, as expected from a Dyson product. The Dyson Zone delivers on quality in spades. There's a lot of attention to detail put into the quality of the materials and the finished product. Because of the filtering technique, the ear cups are thicker than normal over-the-ear headphones, yet they still look decent. Although the color palette complements the headphones, the visor has a less premium appearance. Additionally, the magnetic connection method works well, allowing it to be attached quickly and effortlessly, as well as being able to be flipped down for a conversation. The headphones have a joystick for control, as well as an airflow button that lets you choose between the various settings. The headphones are charged by USB Type-C, and the batteries are incorporated inside the adjustable headband. The sound quality of the Dyson Zone headphones is superb, and the active noise cancellation works flawlessly, according to our initial impressions. We were pleasantly surprised by the quality and can't wait to put them to the test. As for the visor and filtered airflow, they were both nice, but we're curious to see how well it works outside and how foolish you feel when wearing one. When will the Dyson Zone be available? This pair of headphones will be available for purchase starting in the fall of 2022, according to Dyson. It is also stated that time frames will vary by region, so some countries may see the release earlier or later than others. How much are the Dyson Zone headphones? The Dyson Zone Air-Purifying headphones are yet to be priced by Dyson, but we don't expect them to be cheap. There have been hundreds of design iterations over the past 6 years, culminating in a pair of high-end headphones with active noise cancellation, that's ANC, and an air-purifying visor that can be attached magnetically and provides filtered airflow directly to the nose and mouth. The headset features 2 motors in each of the 2 cups, combined with an electrostatic filtration technology that claims to capture 99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, that's dust, pollen, and bacteria, as well as acoustic noise pollution. The ear cups have a potassium-enriched carbon filter that traps city gases. Once the visor is in place, 2 streams of cleaned air can be given directly to the nose and mouth without touching the face. Low, medium, high, and auto are all available options for purifying the air. When you're sitting down, low, medium, and high modes are available, while auto uses the headphone's accelerometer to identify the ideal model depending on your breathing and physical exertion. The Dyson Zone has 3 ANC audio settings: isolation, conversation, and transparency, all of which may be used simultaneously. When the visor is dipped, the air filtration is turned off, which conserves battery life while amplifying conversation in conversation mode. Simultaneous sirens can be heard thanks to transparency mode. With the visor connected, the Dyson Zone may be used as intended, providing audio and air filtration in one device. An FFP2 compliant face cover is included, as well as a visor that may be removed for audio use. Alternatively, the visor can be used without the visor. This brings us to the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of the Dyson headphones in the comments section below. Will you be getting yourself one when it launches? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell. Till next time, goodbye.